You don't need more stock tips. You need a process, a repeatable way to go from idea to research to a decision. Here's the one PremiChart is built around, start to finish.
Step 1. The inflow. Every morning, Daily Picks hands you a screen shortlist. Trending names, strong fundamentals, fresh breakouts. You're not hunting for ideas, you're choosing between them.
Step 2. Interrogate the idea. Open the card, the thesis is right there. Margins, growth, valuation, who runs the company. Then the chart. Stand back to the 5-year view for the big picture, coming close for the entry. Turn on Heard and ask the only question that matters here. What is the crowd doing, and do I want to do the same?
Step 3. The second opinion. The Analysis tab gives you the estimate, the gauges and the news summarised, so you learn in 1 minute what moved the stock. If the story and the numbers agree, you might have something. Step 4. Put it on the bench. Star it, and it joins your watch list with live prices and alerts. Not every idea deserves your money today, but the good ones deserve watching. Set a price alert at your level and let the app wait.
And feed the machine daily. Our morning brief video covers the market every single morning. What moved, what's setting up, delivered before the open. That's your idea inflow on autopilot. Link in the description.
Idea, research, second opinion, bench. That's the loop, and every piece of it lives in one app. PremiChart, free on the App Store. Start the loop today.